maybe.
No, we can't go down that big slide. It's still got some water.
Yeah. That was fast in there. You wanna go in the swing? Okay, swing, daddy. Please. Please. Yay. Wow. Yay. You're okay. Yay.
It's just like swinging on the swing at home.
Yeah, and swinging, swinging. Wow, she doesn't like being fast. She's scared. She started to scared again.
It's weird how they go through things like phases like that.
Mm-hmm. Yay! Quick! Quick! Quick!
Huh? You want to stop?
Wanna stop because it's faster now.
Or slow down? Okay, we'll slow down.
Hanga slow. He said, tell daddy slow. Slow.
That's all faster we'll go then.
Yay. Say very slow at first na day. So I won't get scared. Wow. Let it go, let it go. Twang. The swing lab is making a noise. Twing. What?